ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You've clicked onto our Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday afternoon, the 4th day of December, after a very cold start, a pretty decent warm-up today. And what a beautiful day. Let's go to some Skycam shots around the state with the ABC 3340 Skycam network. That's an interesting sky there. Coming from our Skycam down in Chilton County in Clanton, you can see some high cirrus clouds, few contrails, scattered lower clouds as well, but a mostly sunny day, just gorgeous. And that low sun angle always makes it interesting this time of the year. We'll go down south to the Alabama Gulf Coast. That looks awfully nice. There's a view from the Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites, looking east. And by golly, if you were down there today, you would own the beach. Don't see a soul out there. And from Montgomery, the camera zoomed into the downtown area. Off in the distance, you can see the RSA Tower and the Alabama State Capitol building on a sunny early December day. Northwest flow aloft, that's the story. And within that flow, we'll see a little clipper coming out of Canada, coming down across the northern states, producing some snow. In fact, in advance of that, snow is falling this afternoon in that area, places like Minneapolis, St. Paul, back over into Wisconsin. Of course, all of that stays north of here, and, snow would be fun. Rain would be better for us, but I don't think so. This is the expected rain across the country for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 6 o'clock, and this is really suggesting not much at all. Maybe a little bit for the northwestern part of the state, but I just don't think much will happen here until at least a week from now. Heaviest rain of all places out in the west, and of course a lot of that's going to come down as snow. Could be a major winter storm for the Rockies this weekend. The southern Rockies, even places like Flagstaff, Arizona, could see some big snow by Friday night and Saturday, as you will see as we go here. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at noon tomorrow, 12 noon on Wednesday. And you can see the energy coming down through parts of Ohio and Indiana and Michigan. And at the surface, in advance of that, we've got that snow tomorrow for Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and parts of the state of Virginia, Washington, D.C., Baltimore. Could see a bit of snow with that thing tomorrow, but all of that's north of here, and that clipper will just drag a dry front through here. And on Thursday, we'll get a fresh supply of dry air. So we'll probably hit the low 60s tomorrow, then highs on Thursday, dropping back in the 50s. Friday, moisture begins to increase with a southerly wind here. And a little bit of green there, but again, we just don't see a trigger for rain. So, again, I've not mentioned that. I guess you could mention a slight chance of a shower, but just not worth it. And look at the big storm out there in the southwest United States. Be raining in Las Vegas, snow maybe for Flagstaff and the Wasatch Mountains. Saturday starting off the weekend, there's your big trough out there. That is a very deep, cold upper trough. Cold and snowy out west, but a ridge here across the deep south. Mild is the story. And again, at the surface, there's low-level moisture there, but no triggers. So, like Friday, we'll mention a partly sunny sky. We should be close to 70 on Saturday with a south breeze, and the same thing on Sunday. All of the good wave action stays west and north of here. Maybe low 70s on Sunday with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Next week, we'll just kind of watch the trough. This is Monday. We're still underneath the ridge, so no rain. Tuesday, the trough begins to lift out. And finally, by Wednesday, a week from tomorrow, what's left of that thing is dissipating to the north of us, and it drags a surface boundary down here, and that suggests at least the chance of a few showers on Wednesday of next week. But again, I'm just not convinced that's going to be a big deal. That's Wednesday the 13th. We'll go out 3 more days. This is the 16th of December. Here comes another trough at us from the west, and at the surface, that looks pretty good. And on the next day, the 17th, that trough rotates through here. And at the surface, we've got a surface low developing off the Carolina coast. Even some hint of rain changing to snow over Tennessee with that. But it just sure seems like that might be the next decent opportunity of beneficial type rain around the 16th and 17th. And finally, at the end of the cycle on the 20th, the flow flattens out and lifts north. This is 5 days before Christmas, and certainly with that kind of look, that suggests no major cold air shot here. Cool, but again, nothing harshly cold. But that's pure voodoo at this point, as we all know. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.